What's in the box?
This is a MacBook Air. Is it Apple?
Oh, that looks nice.
Whoa. See? And let's open it.
Whoa.
There's some charger.
Nice.
Then when it opens,
Wow.
it'll make a sign log out. It can make a sign
You
in.
like the color? Really nice.
That's the me email, and these are chargers for the
It
computer.
comes with a nice plug.
Yeah, and this is the plug for charging computers. Remember, the battery is
Really
low.
fancy, smooth, nice and thin.
It's not slow, it's fast.
That's it. Nice.
Then there's some speakers.
Wow.
Then what we're
Nice.
gonna is
It's the iMac
no, not iMac. It's MacBook Air.
MacBook Air.
Then why didn't you listen to me? This is the MacBook Air. It's not a Mac.
Please turn it on.
Okay. It shows the sign in.
Wow.
And
Use a fingerprint.
Then then we're going to charge this up.
Tell us about your MacBook Air.
It could do when we make it bigger. When we can play games around, we could go in here and go that way. Then these things are not line up. But that's too hot.
You're getting a little bit hot?
Mm-hmm.
Leave it.
Hey.
Tell us about your MacBook Air.
Then the lights are lined up. Then why don't leave them light up or
The
something?
keyboard lights up?
But they're not. Oh well, maybe you forgot to turn this up.
What do you like about your MacBook Air?
It is FaceTime.
Like FaceTime?
Yeah.
And what else?
This one, the rocket. So it's cool stuff in. It's so SpongeBob and the Rob, and this is the school game right here. And this is the one right here, and this one, and this Minecraft. And I can play this. Let's start the game. Now, here's something.
Is that Apple Arcade?
Yeah. Let's make us play the game.
Okay.
Let's play. Which one do we play? Number 1?
Sure, let's play number 1.
Then we're gonna come right here. Her mommy's gonna come right here.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Then we look at the cooler. There's somebody gone. He's not gonna see me. No coolers. Then this is the hit the X button. All we have to do is go see this.
What's the name of your game?
Apple Arcade on this game. Remember last week we did unboxing with the tablet, like at night. Then we opened it, we tried it, and I was sleeping with the tablet off.
That's right. You sleep and you turn your tablet off.
Then the tablet was off last week. Then there's a charger right there.
Yeah.
It's
Now show us your MacBook Air. What do you like about it?
I like there's rubber feet. They're not rubber.
It has rubber feet?
Yeah, they cannot rubber. See? They can move fast.
Oh. What else do you like about it?
There are some keyboards, and this is, that computer is not working. That means we need we have this.
All right.
And bye, see you later.